how to navigate the Testos Junction, the A19 A184 junction. The sign on the left tells us that the 2 lanes from the Washington Road are joining with our slip road. We'll be moving into the A184 East, which is the right hand lane, identified by the signpost coming up on the left hand side. And the road markings confirm this for us. The sign on the right tells us the A184 is the right hand lane, approaching Testos roundabout. Having checked our mirrors, we'll be indicating right, turning right on the roundabout. The last sign confirms that it's a right hand turn for the A184 East. When we pass through the lights, we'll be spiralling to the left hand lane. At this point, check mirrors, indicate left and exit the roundabout. The unusual part about this junction approaching is the swans. They have a habit of wandering out into the road. They are a potential hazard, but they're swans. You don't want to run into them. Turning left at the roundabout in front. If you notice on the left, our feathered friends are in their usual position. As we approach the next junction, it's important to maintain your lane discipline. The lanes are clearly marked. Check your right mirror, stay in your lane, indicate left and exit the junction. Beware, there's a nasty pothole on the left hand side. It has been there for a long time. Crossing the roundabout, following a similar lane discipline, and the road speed limit is still maintained at 40 miles an hour. Approaching the next junction, we're following the signpost for the south so that we re-emerge onto the A19. The corner in front poses potential risks. On approach, you'll notice the speed limit increases to national speed limit. In front of us, the road disappears to the left. It's a tight corner. Control your speed. Looking to your right, into the acceleration lane, increasing your speed, blind spot, indicate and exit the lane at the end if it's safe to do so, increasing your speed up to the road speed which is now 70 miles per hour. Exiting the next junction, back onto the Testos roundabout. We're going to turn left and remembering when you rejoin this road, watch out for the swans again. Approaching the roundabout, we're following the A184. The sign says it's the right hand portion of the lane. So drift to the right hand portion. And approaching the roundabout, stay in the right hand lane, emerging when it's safe. Look left, indicate left, and join in Newcastle Road. Speed limit still 40 miles per hour. The signpost warn a change in speed limit in 300 yards, 200 yards, 100 yards. The yellow backed sign shows a 30 miles per hour speed limit. Going straight ahead over the next mini roundabout, remembering that it's a roundabout and not a drive over. Climbing the hill, mirrors, signal right, move into the right filter. When it's safe to emerge, turn right, and that's the end of the tutorial.